Oh no! What a nightmare! Tree roots in your pipes? That's a big problem. These roots can sneak into your plumbing system without you even knowing. Roots can crack pipes and cause backups. They start small but can grow rapidly, leading to major issues. Nobody wants sewage in their home. It's messy, smelly, and can be a health hazard. That's why we need to stop roots before they start. Roots are strong and persistent. They can grow through concrete and even metal. Imagine the damage they can do to your pipes. Once they find a crack, they grow bigger. They exploit any weakness in your plumbing system. This makes the crack even worse. Over time, the damage can become extensive and costly to repair. If you have slow drains or bad smells, you might have roots. These are early warning signs that shouldn't be ignored. Don't wait until it's a disaster. The longer you wait, the worse the problem can get. Call a plumber right away. Professional help can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. It's like a salad bar. Why do roots grow into pipes? They're looking for food and water. Pipes have both. Pipes carry wastewater. Wastewater has nutrients that roots love. It's like a buffet for them. Pipes also sweat. This creates moisture that attracts roots. Once they smell the water, they grow towards it. One way to remove roots is with a mechanical cutter. This tool goes into your pipes and cuts up the roots. The cutter has blades that spin around. These blades chop up the roots into small pieces. The pieces then flow away with the wastewater. Mechanical cutters are good for small root problems. They can clear blockages quickly and easily. Section 4. Chemical warfare. Be careful. Another way to get rid of roots is with chemicals. These chemicals kill the roots in your pipes. Chemical treatments are strong. They can damage your pipes if you use too much. Always follow the directions carefully. Chemicals also harm the environment. They can pollute the water supply. Use them only as a last resort. Section 5. Hydrojetting. It's like power washing, but for pipes. Imagine the power of a pressure washer, but inside your plumbing system. For tough root problems, hydrojetting is the answer. Roots can cause serious blockages and damage to your pipes. This method uses high-pressure water to blast away roots. The force of the water is strong enough to cut through the toughest obstructions. Hydrojetting is very powerful. It can handle grease, scale, and other debris that traditional methods might miss. It can clear even the toughest blockages. You'll see a dramatic difference before and after the treatment. It also cleans the inside of your pipes. This means your plumbing system will function more efficiently. Hydrojetting is best left to the pros. They have the training and experience to do it safely and effectively. It requires special equipment and expertise. Trust a professional to handle this powerful tool and keep your pipes in top shape. Section 6. Stop the roots before they grow. Roots can cause significant damage to your plumbing system if not managed properly. Prevention is the best medicine for root problems. By taking proactive steps, you can save yourself from costly repairs and headaches down the line. Here are some essential tips to keep roots out of your pipes and ensure your plumbing remains in top condition. First, plant trees away from your house. This simple step can prevent roots from finding their way into your plumbing system. Remember, roots naturally grow towards water sources. They can sense the moisture and will seek it out, causing potential damage. Keep them far away from your pipes. Regularly inspect your plumbing system to catch any issues early. Look for signs of leaks or cracks. These can be indicators that roots have already infiltrated your pipes. Fix any problems right away. Don't wait until it's too late. Consider installing root barriers as an added layer of protection. These barriers are designed to prevent roots from growing near your pipes, effectively safeguarding your plumbing system. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. Regular maintenance and proactive measures can save you from major issues. Take care of your pipes, and they'll take care of you. A well-maintained plumbing system ensures a healthy and efficient home.